Our bootcamps are for everyone. We've got candidates from different backgrounds, such as marketing, business, and tourism. In general, they're all beginner-friendly, but if you're thinking about the data science and AI one, having a bit of knowledge of Python will surely help. But no matter what, your motivation is the most important of all. Our application process is easy and it has no commitment. First, you're going to choose bootcamp and location and apply through a website. After that, you're going to be able to book your interview, and if you're lucky enough, you're going to get to meet me. During the interview, we're going to talk about your motivation, your expectations, and whatever questions you might have. After that, you're going to receive a friendly technical assessment, and we'll be back in touch to give you feedback, usually within 24 hours. The next steps are pretty simple. You're going to get your training agreement, sign, and receive access to prep work, and then you're good to go. We have great financing options for everyone. If you want to pay upfront, you can enjoy a discount. If you wish to pay installments, we have two different options for you. One with our partner Almo, where you can pay up to 4 installments, and another one with our partner Quotanda, where you can pay into up to 8 installments. We've been leaders in tech education for over 10 years. Each of our bootcamp's curriculum is constantly updated to reflect the latest trends in tech and AI. Plus, our teachers are industry experts, bringing their knowledge directly into the classroom. At Wagon, we offer career support during and after the bootcamp. Once the bootcamp's done, you'll be able to book a one-to-one session with your career advisor. You have access to our community channels on Slack, and you'll be able to connect with our local hiring partners.